Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel project video tutorial we will learn that how we can create a product table for our e-commerce project, right? So now let's get started with the point. First of all, we will create a migration file, then we will define the migration for product table and migrate it in the database, right? Then we are able to get the database structure in our database right here. And because now we have only one table, then we will get the two table here, right? And after that we will want to add some data in this table, so that we will define a seeder and we will make some entries of data with the help of seeder. So might be you are actually seeing some tabs with the images, so we will use these path for these images for our product gallery, right? Sorry guys, actually I'm losing my voice. Yep, now fine. So now let's start. First of all, let's create a migration. So just write here php artisan make migration, right? And migration name, let's say we are going to create a table. So just write here table create. Our table name is, let's say, products, and then table, right? Hit it. Now our migration is done. Here where we can see it, you can just get it inside database folder, migration, and here, right? So now we want to add some fields here, so let's add. So there is a two already field which is required, id and timestamp. Then let's add some more, like name, price, and all. So just define here string, and we can add here some name like name. Then we can define price, then we can define let's say category, and after that we can add description of the product, so that we can just tell that this product have this kind of features, like if a mobile we are adding, then 4 GB of the RAM, processor, and all, right? A display and all. So let's say description, and at the last we can add here gallery, right? So now our product table is structure is ready, so we can just migrate it. So just write here php artisan make migrate. Oh sorry, we don't need to just write here make, we can directly migrate it. Hit that, and now we have a two table in database. We can check here like this, right? But for a moment we don't have any data inside it, so we want to add some data. Yes, we can also add the data manually from here, but we will create a seeding so that you can also get the predefined data when you are just getting this project link from the GitHub, right? So you don't need to just write here data, you just need to run one command and data will be here. So now let's create a seeder and write here, let's clean it first of all and write php artisan make seeder and seeder name. Let's say my seeder name is product seeder. Hit enter, this is created. And now what we can do, let's go inside the seeder and add some data, right? So now we are going to enter multiple datas. So first of all, let's import the db class here, right? And after that let's just copy a little bit more code. We just need to define our table name here, right? Like this, and we need to just add some fields here, right? So let's say first of all I just want to add my product name. So let's say my product name is LG mobile or something, right? And then we can define here price, and let's say its price is like 1000 rupees, or let's say $100, right? $100 is fine. Let's say put $200, right? And then we can just simply add here third field, let's say description, right? So let's we can just add here a smartphone with 4 GB RAM and much more features, right? Because this is a dummy description, we can add anything whatever you want, right? I don't want to waste so much time, that's why I'm just putting it here, right? And then we can add here category, and let's say my product category is mobile. You can add electronics also if you want, but I'm okay with mobile. And then we need a image for it, so I already have an image, so just add here a gallery. My bad. Right, gallery, and let's put this image inside our gallery like this. So now everything is fine. Let me check the fields. 1 2 3 4 5, so and 6, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Two more fields, ID and timestamp, we don't need to define them, that's okay. Now just try to migrate it, and right here PHP artisan migrate. Okay, nothing to migrate, all right. Because I have to put here, okay, so actually I already migrated this, right? So we are actually doing seeding, my bad, sorry. Okay, so we are actually seeding here, so just we need to write here PHP artisan db and just write here seed, and then we can add here minus minus class and our table name. So my table name is basically product seeder right here, but I need to just mention here products, which is my table name, right? And just paste it here, and now let's see, this is successfully migrated. This is the way that how we can migrate seed only one product, but in migration we have the lots of products, so that how we can do it. For that, what you can do, just copy the first one, create a array and make another in, you can say that the multi-dimensional array like this, and then second one, third one, and let's define here fourth one also, right? So that we can have the 5 product. One we already migrated seeding, we already seed one product, and we can seed some more. So now let's see what next image is about a mobile. So it's like an Oppo mobile, so let's define here Oppo mobile. Price is like $300 or something, and a smartphone with the 8 GB RAM and mobile, and let's just change this gallery, right? Great. Now the next is our TV, and we can just simply write here Panasonic TV, right? Price is like say $400. Smart TV with much more features, right? Please adjust with that, because I'm not good at all to put in the description and all, right? And let's just change this image also, as well as category. Now we can put here mobile. You can put here home appliances also, but I'm okay with that, right? After that we have one more LCD, and then just simply put here Sony TV or something, $500 TV with much more features. And let's change this gallery image also. And now last one is, let's say, my fridge, right? So I have a LG fridge here, fridge. Okay, so we can put here a TV also again, because this is the TV category. Then a fridge with much more features. Category fridge, you can also put your home appliance, refrigerator, cooling stuff, whatever you want. Everything is fine, and product table is here. Now let's again try to seed it. Data is seeded now, and let's see what we got here. We have the all of products, 5 products. So that's all. If you still have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in the next video we will just make some sliders of the home or product page, right? Because in this video we don't have any Laravel code for showing the UI and all, but in the next video you will definitely get it, right? So thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please provide some your reviews and valuable comment in the comment box also.